Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone is having a great weekend. All right. I won't keep you guys long. I know it is Saturday. All right. So I won't keep you guys too long. But I do have some information I want to go through with you guys. Okay. So this is our beginners class. All right. So our beginners class for new traders. All right. So if you're looking to get into trading, this is a webinar for you, right? So that you get the right information. As you guys come in, just put, if you would, how much experience you have. Just put that in the chat for me, please. All right. Also in the chat, you guys will find some background information. All right. So contact information, right, in order to reach me. All right. Um, phone number. All right. So my direct phone number is 407-733-0185. Email David at monstertradingsystems.com. Our website, www.monstertradingsystems.com. And we also have some other links there for coaching, success stories, and reviews. So when you guys have a chance, just click on those links for more information. Again, my name is David Stephenson. All right. Um, our company is Monster Trading Systems, right? If you see here on the screen, Monster Trading Systems. Our tagline, fire your broker. So the goal is, right, to take trading into your own hands, manage your capital, your money yourselves. Okay, so I'm going to go through this. I know we scheduled for an hour, but it won't take that long, guys. I'll go through this quickly. All right, so thanks for taking the time this morning. Okay, so when you get a chance, go to our website again, Monster Trading Systems. All right, David Stephenson, that's me. You can, there's a bio there on the website also. Okay, the first tool I'm going to give you guys. All right, so the first piece of information, right, with trading, we always want to make sure we get the right information. There's a lot of information out there. All right, lots of information out there, but just make sure that you get the right information. Starting with this book, Trading in the Zone. All right, Trading in the Zone. So you can go on YouTube. There's a free audio book. All right, free audio book. So you don't have to buy the book. We actually give the book free to our coaching students when we do one-on-one coaching. All right, but you can go online, go into YouTube, type in Trading in the Zone, start listening to that information. So if you're serious about trading, right, very good book. All right, we'll get you started the right way. So Trading in the Zone, master the market with confidence, discipline, and a winning attitude. Okay, so master the markets with confidence, discipline, and a winning attitude. Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Okay. Yes, just go, guys. If you can just go. Let me see here. Hold on. I can find the link. Hold on. All right. So, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. And you can just type that in, but let me see if I can get the link for you guys. All right. All right. Hold on.
Trading should be easy.
All right. So here's the link here. Trading in the Zone. All right, so there's the link, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. All right, so number one book I would recommend as a new traders or what traders love this book. Again, you can get the audio book. Okay, a couple of other guides that we provide when you do our one-on-one coaching, and this is good information that you guys need. Okay, so Ultimate Guide to Swing Trading, the Ultimate Trading Risk Management Guide, and the ultimate guide to technical analysis. Okay, so when we trade as new traders, guys, this is important. We want to make sure that we manage risk Everything that we do in trading is to manage risk. Every tool that we have to manage risk, right? Minimize risk. There's always risk, but we're going to manage it, minimize it. Okay. I like to say the education you guys are getting today, right, will help you minimize risk by getting the right information, getting the right knowledge. So, ultimate guide to risk management. All right. Swing trading, also critical. All right. When you come into trading, most brand new traders will want to day trade. All right, day trade. But just keep in mind, day trade, very risky, right? It can be done. We have professional traders that trade with us that day trade or trade intraday. Most of you will do a combination of intraday trading, swing trading, and position trading. All right, and position trading. So, swing trading, we're going to hold the trades, all right, overnight, right? Just think of day trading. You're going to trade intraday. So you're going to enter and exit that trade on that same day, right? So you're not holding over. Swing trading, we're going to hold that trade over for a few days, hopefully, if the trade works out. All right. And then we have position trading where we might hold the trade a few weeks, a few months, sometimes even a whole year. All right. Your trading, whether you're a day trader, swing trader, or position trader, is all based on your schedule. All right. So based on the time that you have allotted available for trading. All right. Um, the ultimate guide to technical analysis, right? Very important, right? We don't use fundamental analysis, okay? As traders, right? And as technical traders, technical analysis, we assume that that all the data, all the news, everything is already built into the price, okay? So we don't need to follow the news to figure out what your trading instrument will do, right? Whether it go up or down. Everything is built into the price, so we follow the price action. So very good guides. Again, we give these free of charge with our trading students. I'm going to go through this quickly, all right? Probably just half an hour, not long at all. This is very, very important. You guys should have some slides, right? There should be slides that have been downloaded. You can download it in the chat. All right. So I always tell traders, all right, go ahead, print those out when you have time, laminate it. All right. Keep it where you have it. All right. It's available, readily available, hopefully near your trading station, your workstation. Okay. So support and resistance, the keys to your success. All right. Support and resistance, the keys to your success. Again, print this out, laminate it. Very, very important. You're never gonna buy most traders when they come into trading, brand new traders. The first thing they tell me is they ask me, "Hey David, where do I buy and then where do I sell?" Okay, where do I buy? Where do I sell? Or where do I enter? And where do I exit? Okay, so support and resistance will help us do that. All right, so support and resistance, the keys to your success. Resistance, the green line there, just guys think of that as your ceiling. All right, as your ceiling where you are at home. Support is your floor. Support is the floor, right? Between support and resistance, all right, they're buyers and sellers. All right, they're buyers and sellers, and they're looking to there's a fight between buyers and sellers. So the buyers are trying to push the price higher. Sellers, or we call shorts, are looking to push the price lower. Okay. So if the price breaks resistance, the buyers are in control. So write that down, please. All right, you should have something to take some notes. So if the price breaks resistance, the buyers are in control. If the price breaks support, the sellers are in control, or we call them short sellers are in control. Okay, so we're always going to buy, write this down, buy when the price breaks resistance because the buyers are in control. If the price breaks support, we're going to sell because the sellers are in control. Okay, a lot of traders will ask me, well, David, can I trade between, right, support and resistance because I want to get a low price at support? Absolutely, you can do that. It's not the best way of trading, but we call that range trading, where you trade the range, right? So you trade the range between support and resistance, all right? But the real move, the real trend is when the price breaks resistance, okay? Or when it breaks support to go short down. All right. The next chart, very important, is the four market phases. So if you look here, again, download this, print it out, have it laminated for your records. The four market phases that every trader must know. The four market phases that every trader must know. The first phase is the accumulation phase. This is your roadmap. So we start with support and resistance. You see the support and resistance lines down there, all right, with the accumulation phase. All right. So we start with support and resistance. All right. Phase one, the accumulation phase. Phase two, the markup phase. Phase three, all the way up here, is the distribution phase. Phase four, the markdown phase. All right. So let me repeat. You guys must know this as brand new traders, right? When we coach new traders, they have to learn this. All right. Have to learn this because this is your roadmap. The accumulation phase, the markup phase, distribution phase, for markdown phase. Okay, within the markup phase, we've got reaccumulation. So new buyers are entering the market. Okay, within the distribution phase, within the markdown phase, we've got redistribution. New sellers are entering the market, breaking support. So our goal is to pay attention, know where buyers are waiting, all right, in the accumulation phase. Once the buyers break resistance, we're going to buy. We're going to buy. That's the markup phase. All right. Once the price settles, all right, so price doesn't go up forever, has to take a break. All right. Once the price breaks resistance, that's the reaccumulation phase. Think of new buyers now entering the market. Okay. We know that as traders, the price will not go up forever. So at some point, it will make a high. All right. Can't go up forever. That's the distribution phase. Okay. Once the price breaks support, that's our cue to exit, close the trade. So we're going to buy on a break of resistance, sell on a break of support. Support is that red line up there in the distribution phase. That would be our exit. Okay. Once we exit the trade, now we're in the markup phase, markdown phase. Okay. All right. So markup, markdown, okay, redistribution in the markdown phase, reaccumulation in the markup phase. Okay. All right. What link are you looking for? Tell me what link are you looking for? Let me know what link you're looking for. Okay. Okay, so the next phase is now we only have four phases, guys. Four phases. So accumulation, one, markup, phase two, distribution, phase three, markdown, phase four, and then we start all over again with the accumulation phase. So there's only four phases, guys. Not five, not six, only four. You've got to remember. All right. So when we do our coaching, and I work with traders, and we go through live charts, right? Right, they're able to decide. Hey, they can just look at a price chart and say, okay, we're in the accumulation phase or we're in the markdown phase. All right, this is what we need to do when it's in the markdown phase, or this is what we need to do when it's in the markup phase. This is what we need to do when it's in the distribution phase. Okay, you need to know these phases. Okay, so the YouTube link, yeah, just go to Trading in the Zone. So just type in YouTube, Trading, Trading, Trading in the Zone. So just go into YouTube, type in Trading in the Zone, and you'll find it there. Okay, you don't really need a link, so just go into YouTube, type in trading in the zone, and it will come up for you guys. Okay, so accumulation, thanks, accumulation, markup, reaccumulation, distribution, right? Markdown, within the markdown phase, redistribution, and then starts all over again with the accumulation phase. Okay, you guys must know this. So we're going to start with, remember, support and resistance. That's where we start, support and resistance, and we're waiting for buyers to come in. Buyers to come in. We'll know that buyers are coming in when the price breaks resistance. From there, we have the four market phases, the accumulation phase. Once the price breaks resistance, now we start the markup phase. Okay, and then it starts all over again with the accumulation phase, right? Phase one all over again. So you should be able to look at a price chart. Every instrument will go through this, every stock, every Forex, every crypto, every futures, option, doesn't matter, will go through the four market phases. Okay, so this is your roadmap, your guide. Every new trader that comes in, you guys want to find the bottom. David, all right, I want to buy at the bottom and I want to sell at the top. Well, just know that's not trading. Okay, we want the middle part of this trade. I call it the sweet part of the trade. So we're always going to enter when the price breaks resistance. Yes, we want a lower price, but we just don't want to buy when the price is low. We want to buy when the institutions are buying, when the price breaks resistance. So if you see there, right down here, the meat of the trade on the chart there, enter that line, that dotted black line. That's where we're going to enter when the price breaks resistance. And I know we all want to make as much money as possible, all right? But price doesn't go up forever, all right? And we want to make sure that that price bends, comes down, right? Yes, you will see a drop in your profit. That's fine, all right? But we want to exit when the price breaks support, okay? So we want to buy on a break of resistance, sell on a break of support. And we want to do that. We want to get the middle part of the trade. We'll never get, if you guys think as new traders, you're going to get all of the trade. You're not going to do that, right? You're going to get the middle part of the trade. All right. All right. Now we have coaching here. So when you guys get a chance, go online, find, we have coaching. Take a look at the coaching. The beginners coaching is what I recommend. All right. Beginners coaching. Intermediate is more for our traders that have been with us for a while. Advanced trade coaching is more for our advanced traders. Okay. A couple of testimonials I've left there, right, in the chat. So here is Dean here, one of our most successful, most consistent traders, I would say. All right. Most consistent traders, been trading with us for a little over a year now. Very consistent. Does about $5,000 a week. Now, that's not everyone doesn't make that. All right. But very consistent, very good trader. Most of you will start off where Saga did. So this is Saga here, one of our newest traders, never traded before. I think he's been with us now 3 months. All right. His best day, and he's done better than that so far. But this was a while back, $617 in one day. Most he had made in ever trading. All right. So great testimonials. But if you guys want more reviews, you can certainly go online. All right, the link is there. Okay, for success stories and testimonials. Okay, so I just want to thank you guys. I wanted to keep this short, just get you guys some brief information. Okay, if you want more information, just contact me. All right, 407-733-0185. I'm always available for our traders. Okay, email David at monstertradinsystems.com. All right, or you guys can go to our website, Monster Trading Systems with an S. All right, .com. All right, guys, take care. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you next weekend. All right, take care.